go.
Couple of simple way of changing your old CGA monitor to new LCD monitor. First step is to unplug your power cord from the machine. Open the back, take the back off, and plug your power cord and plug your remote board and undo your 4 bolts for a monitor. Then we'll go to the front and we'll undo the top and also your DVA and remove the bezel.
Okay.
Now we're going to go ahead and take the old CGA monitor out and getting ready to replace the new new LCD monitor. First step is to install your plexi on the bezel, on the metal bezel, and move all 4 brackets from your new LCD monitor, and you're going to put it in the 3rd old, and we're going to mount it onto the bezel. And we put 4 screws on. We're going to plug the video cable into your new LCD monitor. Looking at your LCD monitor, you'll see RGB, which mean red, green, and blue. And you're going to mount it that way. We're going to plug the power supply, which is 12 volt DC. And we're going to plug the power cord in. And that's our steps. We're going to plug the new video cable into the old cable. Color are red, green, and blue. And we're going to mount it red, green, and blue. Your sync wire is going to go to white and yellow. Mounting your bezel, the small side go to the top, the large side go to the bottom. And we'll close. And we'll go ahead and plug the power cord in and turn the game on. And that should be it.